Assalamu alaikum everyone, you are watching Software Buddy. I hope that you all will be fine. Today we will be learning matrix multiplication in our programming language along with some basic concepts of the matrix multiplication. So if you have remembered the matrix multiplication from your high school, you must remember that there was a rule. For example, let's say we have this matrix and it has two rows. For example, let's say 8, 7 and 2 and 1, 3, 6. So it has two rows and three columns. Let's consider the second matrix and let's say it has three rows and two columns. This is our second matrix. So to multiply these two matrices, first we have to see the rule, and the rule is to check whether the both matrices can be multiplied with each other or not. So the rule states that the number of columns of first matrix should always be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. The order of matrix, which is always m cross n, which is rows into columns. So there are two rows and three columns. This is the order of first matrix, and the order of second matrix is 3 cross 2. So according to the rule, the column of first matrix should always be equal to the rows of the second matrix. So this condition should always be fulfilled, otherwise the matrix multiplication will not be possible. So we have to follow this rule also in our programming and create the matrix which follow this rule for multiplication. Now let's implement this concept in our studio for further explanation. So let's first create the first matrix. Let's say F is equal to matrix range from 7 to 12. The rows will be 2 and the columns will be 3. For the second matrix, G is equal to matrix. The range will be from 2 till 7. The rows will be equal to the column of first matrix. So we have to check it and assign the same number as the number of column of first matrix, which is 3. So the number of column of second matrix will be 2. So these are our two matrices. Now let's perform multiplication on them. So for it, first matrix, which is F, and the operator will be percentage sign, then multiplication sign, then again the percentage sign, and then the second matrix, which is G. So here it is the result of multiplication of these two matrices with each other.